I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel Morgan Options, and we are on the broker. And we have $100 on our balance. Exactly from this amount we'll start today to accelerate our deposit. All currency pairs with the most optional character of movement I have picked up, and we open trades today on the minute time frame using trend indicators. It is alligator and this is fractal. Basic trend indicators that will suit everyone, especially beginners. And in the case when a trader is just starting to try his hand at the trading, and in general, these are very convenient and useful indicators that everyone should know. And today I will show you how you can easily increase your profit and close each trade in plus using only 2 free steps when trading on the minute time frame. So today will be a lot of interesting, and so I suggest to start trading and pick up our first currency pair. And here we will open a trade on the upside. Today we have the main concept of opening is opening on the trend. Opening on the trend after a price pullback. Now I'm going to demonstrate you what I mean by that, if you don't understand, of course. So let's start from the afar. Let's highlight the trend line. Let's realize that our trend is upward. We have figured that out. And now we need to break down this section of the move. Here we see a fractal update. There is a price pullback, updating of the local low. After which we open a deal on the upside. It's very simple. Let's watch the result. We have about 15 seconds left. All the moving lines of our alligators are directed upwards. So here it is better to open a trade in the direction of the upward trend. Actually, as I said earlier, and the first trade is easily closed in plus. Let's change the amount of value. The main point is that what we need the alligator slice to also move in the direction of the trend. That is, we will not open trades at this crossing. We will only open trades when we have a clear dynamic in an uptrend. Yes, the moving alligator should be positioned like this. The jaw should be at the bottom, the lips should be at the top, and the teeth should be in the middle. So the opposite is true for the downward trend. The jaw should be at the top, the lips should be at the bottom, and the teeth in the middle. It's very simple, and let's not procrastinate. Let's continue our analysis and pick up the following currency pair. And once again, here we open a deal on the upside. Until we have not crossed the moving lines, there should be a pullback in the price. Here is absolutely the same principle of entering the deal. Yes, we see that we have worked out the price, the resistance area, the local high has been updated, the movement has gone into correction, and I believe that is the good point to open a trade on the upside, as long as we have not crossed our moving lines of the alligator. That's why we conclude that the price should give an upward dynamic. We have about 20 seconds left. Let's observe the remaining time of the trade. And the second trade we have no problem closing in plus. As I said, the formation of a new local low, and the trade have closed in plus. Let's change the amount of value and continue our trade. Let's try to open a trade on the downside and break a different touch point, a different entry point. Let's start and pick up the following currency pair. And here we will open on the trend. Here we open with a slightly different entry principle. But in general, we have the basic concept in our strategy. And we see after the touch point, the local low has been updated. The dynamics of the movement has become the upward again. The slides have crossed here and also headed upwards. And then we see the resistance area respectively. I think that the price dynamics will go to this area without pullbacks. So let's watch the result. We did not enter the trade at the crossing of the moving lines. That is, we did not enter the trade at this level. When we had a candle doji formed, we already entered the trade a little bit later. And in general, it was the right entry point, as our next trade also closed in the plus without any problems. These trades were opened on the upside. I think you understand the basic principle of working with this strategy. As you can see, absolutely everything is easy. Looking for a price pullback, looking for the formation of a local low. Open a trade on the trend. It is downward trend. You look for the formation of a local high. It's very simple. Let's go ahead and try to pick the down trade. Let's open again on the upside. As you can see, on all currency pairs we just have upward dynamics prevailing, and most likely we will not have any downside entry here. So, as I said, we will open up on the trend. And the same concept of opening here. I'm going to try to prove and explain to you that you don't need to invent anything extra. And you can really easily use this knowledge, these indicators, and easily increase your profit. Everything the same. The formation of a local low. According to the trend dynamics, we open a trade on the upside. Here we also see the moving average. And in general, we see that they have opened up for us wide apart. And our next trade is also closing in plus. It was also very easy. Let's change the trade value amount to 516 each. And let's open 2 trades for this amount, for each trade. Let's go ahead and pick the following currency pair. And once again, we open on the trend with you. Absolutely the same principle of entry. After the pullback, here we have a small area of consolidation. The price is a little bit in our place. That is, it's not gaining some kind of direction vector. So we stick to the trend. We see the crossing of the slides. We open in the direction of the trend. Also, everything is very simple. So we have 2 trades open. We have about 20 seconds left. Let's wait for the result of the trades. And the next trades are closed again in plus. As I told you, how many trades have we opened? I've lost account, to be honest. We have opened about 5 trades according to the same principle. Each trade was opened and easily fixed in the plus. Let's open 2 more trades for the amount $1,800. Yes. And let's open them at $900 for each trade. Let's go ahead and pick up the following currency pair. And we are going to open up again here on the upside. We are going to open here again in the direction of the trend. We also open a trade on this currency pair. As I said, the price tends to the resistance area. And we open a deal somewhere at this level. The price has already gone higher and almost reached its resistance area. Therefore, after this price pullback, the formation of a new local low, we will open at here and to the rules of the trend and open a deal to go up. We will expect the aspiration to this level. And we have about 15 seconds left to complete the trades. Yes, let's watch. And the trades are closed again in plus. Super easy, super simple. Opening on the trend, all trades were opened in our case on the upside, all were quietly fixed in profit. Yes. To consolidate the result, let's open 3 trades of $3,000. I think this is going to be super easy. And let's go ahead and pick up our final currency pair. Oof. So exciting. The opening of our final deals is again on the trend. On the uptrend, let's highlight the working area. Note the upward dynamics. The dynamics we have in this area is going up, updating the local high. Everything is absolutely the same. The price pullback in the form of 2 candles. In general, in the course of the current trading today, you could see that in general I observe the pullback in 2-3 candles. And I think here is a good option to open a trade after the pullback on the upside. Yes. So let's watch the result. We have about 10 seconds left to complete the trades. And one trade has gone to 0, but overall I think it's not a big deal. Let's just open 4 more up trades on the same currency pair. Overall, I see a good entry point here, yes. So let's take a look. I'm not going to explain anything. Let's just watch our movement. Once again. Once again, our trades are closed at 0. So we open trades on the upside again. We see that we can get the price dynamics to go up. As I said, I follow a pullback of 2-3 candles. So we had a pullback of these candles. These 3 candles, yes. Well, we again open a deal on the upside. How many we have? We have already opened more than 10 deals. But in general, the movement should go up confidently. Already, I just do not know what else should happen. There are no indicators telling us that the price dynamics should go down. Let's watch the remaining trades. We have about 10 seconds left. And the trades are finally closed in plus. The final currency pair was very hard on our nerves. But in general, we achieved the desired result. And perhaps I will end today's trading on such impulse note. Let's move on to the conclusion. Let's choose a wallet. Click continue, and we have $7,050 to withdraw. Good day! And the operation successfully completed. This is quite an impulse trading today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being with me all this time. Be sure to like, comment this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Bye bye guys, good luck on trading.